In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule and manage meetings in Microsoft Teams from start to finish. Whether you're just getting started with Teams or want to sharpen your meeting skills, this walkthrough will guide you through the entire process. To begin, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Sign in using your account details. If you've used Teams before, logging in will be quick and familiar. If you're new, just follow the standard sign-in steps by entering your username and password. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Calendar. This is where all your meetings and events are organized, making it easy to see what's coming up and manage your schedule in one place. Find the date and time when you want to host your meeting. Then, go to the top right corner and click New Meeting. This opens the Meeting Setup window where you'll create and customize your meeting. Before finalizing the meeting, click Who can bypass the lobby. This section lets you control important settings such as who can bypass the lobby and who's allowed to admit participants. Adjust these options based on your meeting type, whether it's a small internal discussion or a larger meeting with external guests. Now it's time to fill in the main meeting details. Add a clear title and description so attendees know the purpose of the meeting. Next, move to the Attendees section and enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can also share the meeting link if you prefer to invite participants that way. After reviewing everything and making sure all details are correct, click Send. Invitations will be sent automatically to everyone you included. When it's time to join the meeting, open the event from your calendar and click Join. Before entering, you'll be able to adjust your camera and microphone settings. Once you're ready, click Join Now. As the meeting host, you'll receive notifications when participants arrive in the lobby. From there, you can choose to admit or deny entry, giving you full control over who joins the meeting. And that's it. Your Microsoft Teams meeting is scheduled and ready to go. Take some time to explore additional features and practice managing meetings to make the most out of Teams. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.